in our previous class we have discussed about the bones which are hard structure and cannot be bent. There are many bones present in each part of the body. We can bend or move our body only at these points where bones meet. These meeting points are called joints. There are different types of joints in our body to help us carry out different movements and activities. So, today's our topic is types of joints. Meeting points of any two or more bones are called joints, as we know. Now, there are two types of joints are found in our body, movable joints and immovable joints. Movable joints, here examples are given: ball and socket joint, pivotal joint, it is also called pivot joint, and hinge joint. And immovable joints are also known as fixed joints. So let us discuss one by one. Firstly, we will discuss about ball and socket joint. Now here you can see this picture, ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint is most movable and flexible joint. Flexibility means here flexible joint means that can freely movable at all directions. So ball and socket joint is most movable and flexible joint of the body. It is almost freely movable of all joints. It allows movement in all directions. Therefore, it is also known as multi-axial joint. Multi-axial due to this reasons because it can move in all directions. Here in this picture you can see one part is like a bowl and another part is representing another bone. So here two bones are we can see. First one is blue color and second one is of yellow color. So next, in ball and socket joint, the rounded end of one bone fits into the cavity or hollow space of the other bone. Here you can see in this picture, upper bone is like a rounded end of one bone and another downside bone is cavity or hollow space of another bone. So these are fitted to each other. And in another picture there is shown their movement. And here examples are of ball and socket joints. Here ball and socket joints examples you can see in your body. Your shoulder joints. In this picture you can see your forearm upper end is showing as ball ended part and shoulder part is shown as a hollow part, means cavity like part. And another example is hip joint, which is down part of our stomach. And here you can see properly open pocket of hip and rounded end of upper leg. So these are the two examples are of ball and socket joints. You can make a model of this type joint, which video I will share how you can make. You can simply use two balls, one ball which is in larger shape and another ball should be in a smaller shape, and two hollow pipes, or you can use paper tubes for this purpose for making this model. So by the sent video, you with that video help you can make the ball and socket joints model. That's all for today. Thank you.